In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the header in the Shopify Dawn theme using the best method available, all within just 5 minutes. We'll walk through these steps to ensure your Shopify store stands out with a personalized touch. Let's dive right in. First, let's begin by going to the Shopify website. Open your preferred internet browser and navigate to the Shopify homepage. Once there, the next thing you want to do is click on the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. It's quite straightforward, just make sure you're on the right page. Once you click login, a window will prompt you to type in your email address. It's important to use the email associated with your Shopify account to ensure you access the correct store. After entering your email, go ahead and click on continue with email. This will move you forward to the password entry screen. Now, type in your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so double check for any typos before proceeding. When you're ready, hit that login button to access your Shopify dashboard. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on the Shopify homepage of your store. Our next step is to click on Online Store, located in the menu bar on the left-hand side. This section is where we can make changes to the aesthetics of your store. Following this, you'll see a section labeled Themes. Click on Themes to open up your store's current theme settings. You'll see the Customize button next to the theme you're using. Click on Customize to open the theme editor interface. Now that you're in the theme editor, you'll notice several customizable options along the right hand side. Look for and click on Announcement bar to adjust settings like announcement text and background color. Adding some appealing announcements can be a great way to grab the attention of your visitors. Next, one of the most crucial steps is to find and click on Header. The header influences how your store's navigation and logo appear to visitors, so it deserves special attention. This section allows you to explore various options like adjusting the logo size, changing the background color, and fine-tuning your navigation layout. Take your time to review these options and select the ones that best fit your brand's identity. Once you've made your desired changes, don't forget to click on Save to ensure all your hard work doesn't go to waste. You'll find the Save button usually located at the top right corner of the customization interface. It's the final and key step to applying your changes. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully customized the header in the Shopify Dawn theme.